Welcome back to EXPLAINCAD. In this tutorial, we will know about path made. Now I select path interface. I create here a path. I select front plane, sketch, normal, select circle command. Right click, select option, smart dimensions, 10 mm. Right click, select option, select line command. Draw a line from here to here. Right click, select option, trim entities, trim this portion. Come back from the sketch, revolve boss base feature, select this line, axis of revolution, blind 360 degree. Okay. Edit appearance, give it some color. Now save this part. Select file, make assembly from part. Now assembly interface opens. Click anywhere here in this area for inserting part. I click here. Now select this part. Right click, select float. Now select front plane, sketch, normal. I create here a path. I select spline. Right click, select option. Come back from the sketch. Select mate. Delete this one. Go to advanced mate. Select path mate. In path mate selection, it is asking about component vertex. We will select this parts point. Select visibility. Show region. In component vertex, now select this point, origin point. Path selection, I select this path. OK. Again select OK. Now see here, we apply path mate here. This ball, follow this path. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.